Today, I am going to present an informative review based on the reformation of Indian laws. As we are progressing towards a modern society, we need modern laws to maintain law and order in the society.
Where are you going? Do you know, according to Act number 420, you can be tried or even get a punishment. Oh no, you are wrong. It's not. In 2023, Indian laws were replaced and amended to avoid the British dominance in the Indian judicial system. Now, my friends will give you informative and explanation of the first law, that is BNS. BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. It has replaced the Indian Penal Code introduced by Britishers in 1860. BNS is now India's new criminal code. It has 358 sections. BNS focuses on simplicity of law, speedy justice, and modern relevance. Special features of BNS: added and emphasized on victim-centric justice. Now we have extended definition and clarity in several crimes like sexual crime in India. BNS include zero tolerance for crimes against women, children to avoid concrete discussion on the vulnerable cases like rape, sexual harassment and assault. Several amendments are introduced to reduce them. The next law is BNSS. The full form of the BNSS is Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. It replaced Criminal Procedure Code of 1973. Major reform done under this code are introduction of zero FIR, which means victim can file their complaint at the police station. After registration of the FIR, it must be transferred to the correct jurisdiction within 15 days. Thank you. Victims should be informed of investigation progress within 90 days. Forensic experts must attend crime scenes which are punishable up to 7 years or more than 7 years. Now courts can proceed with trials and judgment in absentia in specific conditions. It marks major shift by holding police accountable via transparency and oversight. It has also provided new dimension in punishments, offering community service as an alternative to imprisonment. The next law is BSA. Full form of BSA is Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. BSA was introduced in 2023. It replaced the old Indian Evidence Act. It also replaced 167 section of Indian Evidence Act. BSA has enhanced and modified the section of IEA.
Major reforms under BSA are: electronic records are now included in the document section of the evidences, categorized into primary and secondary sections.
Proof standards are now modified for making law of evidence more applicable. New definitions are added for evidence, and documents are now paralleled with new technologies.
Remember, laws are there for our safety. Punishments are for those who disregard them, and citizens are best when they follow laws and never go beyond them. Thank you.